In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most compassionate. In this lecture, I'm going to work on bank reconciliation. That how we can reconcile a bank statement, bank account in QuickBooks Desktop. So on home page, you can see in the section of bank reconcile. So if you want to reconcile an account, so click on it, or you can click from banking, then click on reconcile. Click on reconcile, and here you can see account. Choose the account which you want to reconcile it, and here you can see a beginning balance, and here is ending balance. That bank statement, bank send you in a statement, so you should write that balance that bank send in a statement. For example, 500,090. 500,900. Here you can write the service charges is that came in your account, and here you can choose account for it, bank service charges, and from here you can choose class, and here you can write interest that this account earned to you, for example 100, and here you can choose an account for interest income, and here you can choose the same class again, and click on continue, and then click on yes. You can see here the difference. Service charges is minus 10, and interest earned is 100, and ending balance is 500,900, and clear balance is 500,190. And the difference you can see is 710. Click on reconcile, and then enter adjustments. So you can see here the difference is 0. The ending balance and clear balance are equal. If you want to print, click on print. If you want to display, click on display, so you can see your statement, bank reconciliation statement from here. If you want to print or display or download bank reconciliation statements, so click on reports and then banking, and click on previous reconciliation, and then you can choose here account and the date of your reconciliation, which statement you want to display, and then click on display. Here you can see your reconciliation statement, and if you want to download, click on download. If you want to print, so click on print option, it will be print. This was the lecture about bank reconciliation.